We, as members of the maritime industry, stand at the gate between our nation and the global community. Our ports are not just points of entry and exit of goods. It is a critical hub for economic growth and commerce. This year's National Maritime Week theme, Navigating the Future, Safety First, reminds us that safety remains our top priority as we keep in pace with technological advancement, rising global demands, and in protecting the welfare of the members of the maritime sectors and environment. Truly, the introduction of new technologies that enhance safety, security, and work efficiency to maritime sectors may not be enough. The participation of trained people, our dedication, and our vigilance will surely make the difference. As we celebrate the National Maritime Week 2024, let us reaffirm our commitment to navigate the future with safety first at helm. By embracing technological development, facing environmental challenges, and global demands, while prioritizing still the safety and welfare of our people, we can ensure a progressive global maritime industry. Thank you, and let us work together for a safe and sustainable future of our ports and nation.